Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngiyanibingelela futhi ilanga namhlanje makhehla amadala zonke indebe seziyalunga. Yes, I've came across so many questions like why ukuthwasa kunzima? Why abantu bahlupheka ethwaseni and all those kind of questions. Now the answer is ukuthwasa kwakudala nokuthwasa kwamanje akusafani. Angithi ukuthwasa kwakudala abogogo nabomkhulu bebahamba ngeenyawo bebayenza ngisho like nje bashawa ngemvubu like konke lokho bukwenziwa ngokuthi ke amadlozi bafuna ukwavusa, amadlozi bafuna ukwahlahlambisa ukuthi ke bangene endaweni straight like nje baqonde angijathola into ezinjalo. So ke konke lokho bekwenzakala kudala ngafuna ukwenza idlozi ukuthi libe strong angijathola kade bangaba like kade bangaba abuse kade bafuna ukuhlukumeza ledlozi leli phakathi kulo ngoba likuhlukumezile wona umuntu ukuze uyongena ephehle manje bafuna ukuthi ihlukumeze lona ngoba idlozi nilane this tendency of ukuthi ke makungena ephehlweni lifuna ukurelax. So that's why kudala bebayenza lento le bebayenza ukuthi idlozi likwazi lihlahlambe and likwazi ukuthi ke lukunika amandla nawe qobo lokho umuntu umthwaselayo angithatha njalo. Manje ukuthwasa kwakudala nokuthwasa kwamanje sokushintshile kodwa nje ukwenza kwakhona ama-principles wakhona and ama-rules wakhona wona washintshanga kwezinye impande. Sengikhumela mina kule mpande ngikuyo ke ukuthwasa kwakhona kuhlukile and then kuya ngokuthi wena nalokho ugwebelo wakho ukuthi usiphatha kanjani, kuya ngokuthi wena ephehlweni ukuthi uziphatha kanjani. Ukuhlupheka kusekho ngoba in this day and age you know you are able to go emsebenzini, uyakwazi ukuya emsebenzini, uyakwazi ukuya esikoleni, uyakwazi ukwenza nanoma yini. Impilo yakho yabuya esimeni esakho like it's not like uthi you won't be yourself anymore like no, uzokwazi ukuphila impilo yakho uzokwazi ukuqhuba the way ubuqhuba ngakhona like nje. The only difference is that sokunedlozi phakathi eliphila phakathi kwakho elifuna ukusebenzisa ngendlela ekanje angithatha into ezinjalo. So now it's very important for you ukuthi yingakho ke kubalekile ukuthi uthwasa makangena ephehlweni ahlale ephehlweni angathwaseli kwakhe angathwaseli kubo because now uthwasa kumele ahambe idlozi la kaThokoza nedlozi la kaGobela kumele aconnect ukuze kube ne-understanding, kumele a-connect ukuze whatever idlozi leli elifunako idlozi lizokwazi ukuthola angijathola into njalo ngoba kunama-stages lesi lawa kumele undlule kuwo. So uzowandlula kanjalo lawo ma-stages lawo ekubeni usekhaya yabona kufana ngathi uthwasa. So that's why it's very important ukuthi uThokoza ahlale la uGobela khona and then uze ukwazi ukuthi uthole yonke into yakho iphelele and then uzokwazi ukuthi uphile. And uthwaza makathwasa it doesn't mean that ukuthi angeke uye emsebenzini wakuya esikoleni and so on and so on. Uzokwazi ukwenza izinto zakho, uzokwazi ukuya emsebenzini, uzokwazi ukuphila kahle the way uphila ngakhona angithatha izinto njalo. Uyageza konke nje uzabe ukwazi ukwenza. It's not like uzohlala ungqolile and because most of the people have this ideology in their minds that says ukuthi izangoma zingcolile, izangoma zigezi, izangoma ziphuza utshwala yabona into ezinjalo. So now it's very important ukuthi ke idlozi lifuna ukuhlonishwa, idlozi nawe qobo lakho ukuze ukwazi ukuhlonipha angithathola ephehlweni ungenela for ukusindisa impilo yakho, ungenela for ukuphilisa idlozi lakho, ungenela for ukuthi ke uphilisa amadlozi wakho, uphilisa umndeni wakho so that uzokwazi ukuprotecta umndeni wakho. Nawe qobo lwakho ngithathola uzokwazi ukuthi uhlonipha kanjani idlozi li-operate kanjani, idlozi ukuthi uli-understand ulukhuluma nalo kanjani. That's why kubalulekile ukuthi uThokoza ahlale ephehlweni for leso sikhathi leso angithathola. Ukuthwasa kwamanje akusafani nokuthwasa kwakudala. So kudala bozohlala for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years angithathola into ezinjalo ngoba bongavumelelanga ukuthi uye emsebenzini and manje ke amadlozi azile nawo kubanye impande and ukuthi no manje sesisebenza kanje ngoba izinto sesishintshile. yabona nje zikhona ezinye izinduku ke ezokwazi ukuthi zibooste idlozi lakho wena muntu ukuze ukwazi uhamba emsebenzini ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ungahlali ephehlweni isikhathi eside ngoba amadlozi kwamanje afuna ukuthi ke akhushulwe kahle afuna ukuthi asebenze awafuna ukuhlala isikhathi eside ephehlweni angithi athona into ezinjalo ingakho ke the most important thing ekuthwaseni kakhulu ukudla intwazi angithi athona into ezinjalo so now it's very important for umuntu loyo I understand leyo nto ukuthi ke ukuthwasa akusukuhlupheka ukuphila komuntu ukuphilisa idlozi lakho angithi athola izinjalo so now it's very important for wena umuntu ukuthi we understand lento le ungayicabangi as if lento le yokuthakatha lento no umuntu uthakatha ngoba unenhliziyo yokuthakatha finish and class thina abanye zangoma esithwasile idlozi lifuna indawo eclean idlozi lifuna inhliziyo eclean angithi athola so ke abanye futhi bathakatha ngoba inhliziyo zabo zingcolile ngoba idlozi lingcolile nalo lelo idlozi lelo abaligezanga ngoba belithakatha before abaligezanga ukuze ke libe idlozi lihle yabona so idlozi lawazi ukushentshwa ukuthi kube idlozi lihle and likusebenzele kulethile inhlanhla and so on and so on angithi athola into ezinjalo so now people have to understand that ukuthi idlozi akusinto embi ukuthwasa akusinto embi abantu ezinjalo and enye into ethusa abantu kakhulu ukuthi ke makumele ayothwasa ezinye izinyanga zibatshela ukuthi no kumele uhambe uyothola ithuna la bani kuphi so uyelana ethuneni ekubeni idlozi lingenile why should you go uyothola lelo thuna lo muntu lo ekubeni loyo muntu lo dala sangenile phakathi kuwe sekasebenza ngawo which means ke lo muntu lo uzobona as like insulter kahle abantu nje ngoba ubona ngathi uzodlala ngaye because now lo muntu loyo osuka akungenisa sekaphakathi ku and amadlozi aphila ngisho nanoma kuphi so usuka uyelana ethuneni ngoba usuka uyabangcolisa kakhulu angithi adola yes balele lapha emathuneni amadlozi angithi ngiyavuma so now amadlozi ke ayavuka umoya wabo uyaphuma lapho ke manje uyavunguzela ufuna la ukuzohlala khona ufuna la umuntu azo like nje afuna umuntu ukuthi azokwazi ukuqhubekisa la gcine khona ngithi 20 ezinjalo so now why should you go find ithuna gogo omkhulu uzolithola nini lelo thuna lo ngoba loyo gogo omkhulu loyo ungahamba uyomphahlela esigangeni loyo gogo omkhulu loyo ungahamba uyomphahlela emfuleni angithi athola ukuze ke nibe nayo communication efunakalayo ke if kufanelekile ukuthi uyoxoxa nayo loyo gogo loyo nabantu njalo ngoba mazoya emathuneni ke manje ukuyethuneni akusinto embi no akusinto embi I'm not saying ukuthi into embi kodwa you shouldn't go ethuneni like each and every single time mabona ukuthi uthole kunzima no khona isiganga khona umfulo ngoba moyethuneni uzilandela ukuhlupheka angithi athola it's like uyaba disturb lapha abakhona yabona into ezinjalo so now kufuneka ukuthi ke idlozi lukungenile you shouldn't go elentuzaneni kakhulu kumele nje wena muntu uhambe uyophahla esigangeni wena muntu uhambe uyophahla emfuleni so now akukho akubalulekanga kakhulu ukuthi uthole ithuna la kakhokho omkhulu and if bathi kumele uthole ithuna la kakhokho omkhulu wena nje into ongayenza nje ungahamba uyophahla esigangeni wena ungahamba uyophahla emfuleni ukuze ukwazi ukuhlangana nokhokho omkhulu lo okuhluphayo angithi yabona into ezinjalo ngoba uzozolo izwi lonke leli ungalithola bathi uze ungene nasethuneni elirong yabona into ezinjalo so amadlozi imimoya yabo isintabeni isegangeni all over so now I would advise you guys to now ningayi emathuneni kakhulu ngoba futhi nizibizela ukufa nina qobolweni angithi yabona into ezinjalo so now ningaya emathuneni makufanelekile kodwa high every time so abantu badidwa yiloko ukuthi hey mangene ephihlweni mele ngihambe ngiyofuna uthuna la kalomuntu lo ngenile ungeneleni ke ekubeni samele uyomlanda futhi ethuneni no it doesn't work like that idlozi masele kungenile uzokungenile nje there's so many ways to communicate nedlozi lakho emfuleni eintabeni emalwandle yeah you can go there and communicate with them kodwa nje put this in your mind ukuthi idlozi malikuthole lokutholile there's no use ukuthi uyulanda futhi ngoba mayilanda uyawusukela ngoba luzothawu ngila usangilanda kuphi and that does not make any sense So now it's very important for you guys to understand that it's not compulsory for you ukuthi uhambe uyolanda ithuna la kagogo omkhulu idlozi lakho leli lokungenile. Maluku ungenile so ungacommunicate nalo nanoma kukuphi nanoma kukephi kanjani nanoma kusesigangeni ngamakhandlela athize ngathize. Ngeke yabona into ezinjalo. So it's very important for you guys to understand that. Now sengingena futhi kule